Today we're getting wild in the kitchen with Chef Jim from Fire Lake Grill House and Cocktail Bar, and we are making one of my favorites, which is pizza.
Pizza.
I love it, and it's wild duck pizza.
Wild duck pizza, you got it.
Oh my goodness, so this would be fun for the family to create together, and it seems like we just have a few simple ingredients.
It is. It's very easy to put together, but it's got a lot of flavor.
All right, so what's the first step?
We're going to spread a thin layer of some cipollini cream.
Now, what is in cipollini cream?
Easiest way for me to explain it, very similar to like an Alfredo sauce.
Okay.
But it's made with cipollini onions. It gives it a little extra flavor, a little sweetness. So yeah, just take a spoon or ladle, nice thin layer across this. Next, we've got our duck. Notice that the skin is on. A lot of hunters don't like to take the time.
They don't, and hunters, we should be listening here. You guys should take the time to leave the skin on because...
Well, whenever possible, I understand. But it's going to keep a lot of that natural moisture in. So it's almost like an insulation, kind of a self-basting process during the roast.
And the flavor's in the fat.
That is true. As soon as it's cool enough to handle, we're just going to take that out. And we're just going to kind of shred it right over the top of the pizza.
Here, I can help you with that.
You want to do that for me,
Sure,
please?
I'll do this chunk. Look at this beautiful duck meat.
And then the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to take a nice crisp apple. Granny Smiths work good, or any tart variety that you have. Nice baking apple that'll stay crisp.
Hey, how am I doing here?
Doing great.
All right, there we go.
All right, so next go the apples. Then we also have some fresh figs.
Okay.
Sprinkle those on for me.
That.
And then we got a couple different types of cheese. We got some blue cheese crumbles. Kind of sprinkle those across the top.
Sure.
And then we also have some Parmesan if you'd like to sprinkle that over the top.
That. What a fun way to get kids involved too with cooking wild game. And
Definitely.
With pizza.
Kids love to make pizzas,
That's
and even
right.
more, they love to eat pizzas.
That's
so.
true.
All right, now we're ready to go in the oven.
Perfect. So, how long does our pizza need to stay in the oven?
8 to 10 minutes, 450 degrees, golden brown and bubbly.
Golden brown and bubbly. I think it's been about 8 to 10 minutes, don't you think?
I think it's golden brown and bubbly.
Okay.
Let's go check it out.
So there you have it. It's wild duck pizza today, and if you don't have any wild duck in your freezer, you can get this pizza right here at Fire Lake this fall. And again, it's so easy to do, yet wildly delicious.
Is that hot?
Very good.